Okay, folks, we have the CleanTech UVC air purifier. We're going to do a quick unboxing and then we'll go over the specs and how good this air purifier really is after I use it for a couple days. But what we have here is the retail box. This is what you're going to get from Amazon. Picked it up for $2.29. CleanTech UVC air purifier. Very simple packaging, nothing to it. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it's inside the package itself and what do we get. So right off the bat, we can see we get a power cable there. Let's go ahead and pull that power cable out. Now this is your typical 2-prong power cable here, like you use on any TV, Xbox, stuff like that. Let's go ahead and remove this foam piece of square, and we have the instruction manual. Make sure you read the instruction manual, even if it's in Chinese. Just plain. I'm pretty sure there's an English portion here somewhere. There it is. But yeah, I think there is. Let's go ahead and fold it, and it's in English. So make sure you read it so you can know how to operate it. But it's pretty simple on how to operate this. There's nothing to it. Let's pull the air purifier out and see what else is in the box. Nothing else is in the box, and let's go ahead and put that aside and take a quick look at the air purifier itself. Now, looking at the air purifier itself, it looks very clean and compact, pretty aesthetic, pleasing to the eye. It's nothing outrageous. It's CleanTech there, UVC lamp, their logo on the bottom, and that's about it. Nothing to it. The fans on top, as well as the power button there, you can see. Let's go ahead and look at the bottom of this. You can see the filter in there, right there. Quick glance, and then you have your power port there to plug in your power cord. But that's the base. Somehow you can remove it. Let me come back and show you guys how to remove it so you can replace the filter whenever you need to. So removing the filter is relatively easy. You take these little knobs and you just turn them clockwise, and they're pretty much the feet of the base of the air purifier, and it's attached to these long screws. So you just screw them off. So there's no tool needed to replace the filter, which is an absolutely bonus. It's relatively fast and simple. As you can see, I'm removing the last one, and the base just simply pops off. So you have the base and the electronics of the fan and the light, and the filter just pops out like that. You can pick this filter up on Amazon as well. They do have a couple prices listed. I seen a 2-pack going for about $30 or a single filter going for about 25, something like that. I'll leave links below in case you want to pick up some extra ones if you have dogs in home and you think the filter is going to get a little bit dirty. Now putting this back in place, you pretty much put the filter back, and then you just screw the little feet back into the base of the air purifier, and you're pretty much done. That's it, folks. It does not take no tool or anything to replace the HEPA filter on your air purifier from CleanTech. That's one of the added bonus that I like about this air purifier. Is relatively super simple and fast just to replace the filter itself. So what we're doing next is we're going to plug in the power cord into the unit itself. Let's remove this little twisty thing. There you go. Now, it could be a little difficult because it is kind of tight. Just make sure you line it up with the grooves and just make sure it's firmly pressed inside the power port there. And soon as you can see, I'm having a little difficult times here, but there you go. I got it in. It's nice and satisfied and pressed in. Please excuse the angle of the camera. It was just boom, voila. So it's nice and secure now, as you can see. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in and see how it looks, sounds, and performs. Okay, now that we're plugged in, this is the power button here. Now we do have 2 modes. If you press one, you will activate the 2-hour mode, which is a little bit more powerful. You press again, you activate 24-hour mode, which is like a low speed mode. Now you press it again and it powers off. So let's go ahead and hear how it sounds on its strongest mode, which is the 2-hour mode. This is me right in front of the air purifier. Then let's go ahead and stand up, and if you're about a foot away from it, this is how it's going to sound. Now let's go ahead and put it on 24-hour mode, which is the low power mode. Now this is how it's going to sound. This is me right in front of it. Now let me stand up, and now this is how it sounds with me being a couple feet away from the unit itself. All right, so I've been using the unit for about a week now, and I can really say that it works. The combination between the HEPA filter and the UVC light makes really the air feel a lot cleaner. Normally the air purifier can purify anywhere from 200 to 600 square feet. So if you have a bigger home than that, you probably want to pick up a couple of these, which I totally recommend because it's a fantastic air purifier. Now, if you have animals in home, you smoke or anything like this thing will eliminate odors like nobody's business. I do have a couple pets in my house, and they tend to get stinky after a while. But ever since I've been using this air purifier, I have not smelled the pet smell that a lot of people hate. And that is absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love this air purifier. All right. So this purifier is good enough for you to use like at a small gym. You know how you get all that funky smell from all that sweat, mats, or everything like that? This air purifier is going to help you eliminate those odors. Office, cubicles, anything like that, home office, home, master bedroom, in your home. If you're going to use it in your home, I strongly recommend you get 1 or 2 of them. They do work absolutely fantastic. You will be able to tell the difference in the matter of a day. You just walk in and you smell clean air. It's just... for $229. Link will be in the description below if you don't want to head and buy one of these air purifiers. I strongly recommend it. I'm myself going to pick up a second one. I have a 2-story house. I'm going to rock one downstairs and one upstairs. Absolutely love it. I cannot say any more about it. The filters are so easy to change. HEPA filters, you can buy them on Amazon as well. The UV light combined with the filter itself, it's a UVC light combined with the filter itself. It's going to help you eliminate all those nasty viruses, germs in the air in your house. Again, if you have any questions regarding this air purifier, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.